Then we come back in here and try to start it up. Check engine light comes on, goes off. Pump goes on, goes off. Oh, that's the first. Usually it won't start up again. Okay, so that's new. I did the caps on the PCM, and the first time I did them, it started up, and then it shut off in like maybe 2 minutes, just shut off. And then this last time it was running for probably about 20 minutes, idling for about 20-25 minutes, and then it just shut down like you saw. The first time it shut down, I couldn't get it started. I had to let it sit for a while, and disconnected the battery, came back 20 minutes later, plugged everything back in, pulled the relays out, put them back in, and then started it up. And then it ran for like 20 minutes, and it just shut off. I'm surprised it started back up though. So maybe something else is going on with the PCM. Everything else is new. You heard it running. It runs solid. Doesn't seem like it's missing. New battery cables. See? Again, just shuts off. New plugs, wires, cap, rotor, crank position sensor. This is new. New cam position sensor, new crank position sensor, new map sensor, brand new radiator, new clutch fan, new whatever else, new injectors, all new injectors, brand new fuel pump, brand new fuel lines to the back. I don't know what the deal is. None of these are hot. This one's a little warm. This first one is a little warm, but I don't know. Let's try to start it again. That's what it does. So I turn it off. And I turn it on. Check engine light. Because I disconnected the battery, it's gonna, that's 2, 3, 4. Should give me some codes, but it'll probably be 12 and then 55. That's because the battery got disconnected. 5 and another 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it.